Hello students, we're going to be making figure 7.43 in this tutorial, and this is a metric part, so let's fire up Autodesk Inventor and start a new part. Let's go to Tools, Document Settings, change our units to millimeters, apply and close. In the 3D Model tab we're going to start a new sketch. We're going to start on the XY plane. Make sure your front is right side up. And let's go to, there we go. So this part is pretty straightforward once you understand all the dimensions and lines that you see here. So we have this large radius right here, this diameter of 127. We're going to make a construction line circle of that first. So that's 127, enter. Zoom out, tap escape. Right click on your circle and turn that into a construction line. And what we see here is we have 3 circles that are equally spaced out. So, and that is 3 of them by 12 millimeter diameter. So let's click on the circle. We're going to go to this one right here. So right there, make that 12. That's the diameter. And then we should circular pattern this with this. The axis is this guy right here. And we want that to be 3. There we go. That should work for you. Let's try that again if it didn't. So click circular. Your geometry is going to be this. Oops, let's click that again. Here, and then click this guy right here, and that's going to be your pattern. Let me make that 3. Click OK. There's your 3 holes to start, and then we're going to make this. We're going to make 3 more circles with a radius of 16, and then we'll tangent straight lines to make this triangle part. So same top one. We're going to right click, turn that into a radius, and that's 16. We're going to do the same circular pattern. Tap escape, circular, this is our geometry. Click this red little arrow, click on that, we want 3. And you know, it's in 360 degrees because that's how many degrees are in a circle. Click on your line tool, and we need to draw a line like that. Click on your tangent and tangent that line to those 2 circles, and repeat the process on this side. So I'm going to then use tangent. Okay, tangent right here. Tangent to the outside. Okay, so just so you know what dimensions are what and what we're looking at here. This inner circle again is 12. This radius for the bigger circle is 16. We use the circular pattern, and now we're going to trim the excess here. We don't need these extra lines here. Alrighty. Now let's try trimming. We should be able, it's not letting me trim these holes here. So let me try something. Now we have that general shape down. So if I finish sketch, and if I click on extrude, and I click on this surface and this surface and this surface, oh, okay, it does what I need it to do, and it is right here. The dimension says 12, so that's 12 millimeters. And yep, there it is. There's the the main part. It has a fillet radius of 3. We'll do that last. Now let's draw this circle. We have to figure out where that goes. Okay, so we're gonna right click, new sketch. Where's my new sketch button? Right click, new sketch. Projecting geometry. Let me check something. If I click on this circle, okay, yeah, cool. So it's gonna be that this origin that it popped up here is the center, which is centered here. So the outside diameter of this right here is going to be 63.5, and then we're going to extrude that by 38. So the diameter, so my software is still on radius, so I'm going to right click, change that to diameter, make that 63.5, finish the sketch, and we're going to extrude that by 38. Extrude 38. And right here, this note, it says that this diameter is 38.10 and it's only getting extruded cut into it by 32. So right click, new sketch, draw a circle, and that's 38.10. Finish sketch, extrude cut by 32. It's not going the whole way through the part. Awesome. Alright, and now it says that there's 3 webs equally spaced. That's these guys. They're 10 thick, and they are from the, okay, so it's 19 from that cylinder. So go to your origin, open up the origin. Let's find the XZ plane, and we're going to, let's see, we're going to right click on that, new sketch. And I'm going to click on the slice. So we're going to slice that. The project geometry of these surfaces. Accept. And what we're going to do is we're going to draw a triangle. Just like this. And we're going to space it out 19 here. So dimension, so from this surface to the point, that's going to be 19. And then we finish the sketch. Extrude, we're going to do, so it's 10. So type 10 and click symmetrical. And then click on, there it is. Okay, accept. Oh, what happened? Oh, there's something here. Okay, undo, 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 undo. Click on right. Undo, 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 undo. Something happened. I don't like what happened just now. Let's try it again. See that? Totally through it. Yeah, that's in the middle. Alright, so right click, new sketch. Slice. Let's try something different. Well, definitely need to project the geometry of this. $19. There we go. Finish sketch. Alright, extrude. There's showing something here, but I don't want that. There we go. There we go. There we go. That's what it should look like. Okay, we're gonna check that. Was that 10? Oh man. Right click, edit feature, 10. Yeah, that's what we want. And then what we'll do is we'll do a circular pattern. So click on circular pattern. This is the feature we want. The rotation axis, so make sure you click on that. We're going to use this outside one. And we want 3 of those. And click OK. And there's your part. I don't know why it just changed the look of it. I didn't change it. Let me save this before something happens. This is figure 7.43, so Control S. I currently have, well, let's go to school files. I have a models folder. Models, save. And this is figure 7.43. Save. I don't know why I changed it to this, shaded with edges. Shaded? Monochrome? Realistic? I don't know. I don't know why that happened. But anyways, there's your part. And I'm going to leave it up to you guys to create the technical drawing for this. At this point in time, you should definitely have the tech savviness to create a technical drawing for a part like this. If you get stuck or need help, please do not hesitate.